Historic Westwood near Ball State Campus. Meticulously maintained with 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and approximately 3,321 square feet. Gracious entry includes crystalline tile floor and sliding glass door to back patio. Great room features solid oak flooring, gas fireplace, crown molding and dining area with built-in shelving. Recently updated kitchen with granite countertops, eating/serving bar, pantry closet, new cabinets and all new appliances. Family room seamlessly connects to the dining room and kitchen. Master suite includes walk-in closet, dressing area with built-in storage, laundry hookup, and attached bath. 2 bedrooms have built-in shelving. All new ductwork, interior/exterior recently painted. Abundant storage throughout. 2 gas furnaces and 2 AC units for maximum comfort and efficiency. Fenced backyard with concrete patio, koi pond, and storage building. Deadline to submit offers is 5 p.m. April 15th.